Hey everyone, we are so thrilled to have you back with us today. Welcome back to your channel name where we bring you the freshest, most innovative ideas in gardening. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, we've got something for everyone. Today we're diving into a trend that's literally growing up vertical gardening. This method is perfect for those who want to maximize their space and create a lush green environment. Whether you've got a small balcony, a cozy backyard, or just a wall that needs some love, vertical gardening can transform any space into a vibrant oasis. Imagine having a garden that not only looks beautiful but also saves space and is easy to maintain. Stick around because this is going to change the way you think about gardening forever. We'll be sharing tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides to help you create your very own vertical garden. From choosing the right plants to setting up your garden structure, we've got you covered. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started on this exciting journey together. First up, vertical gardening is a space-saving miracle. Imagine transforming even the smallest of spaces into a lush green oasis. If you're in an apartment or just don't have a ton of ground to work with, vertical gardening is your best friend. It's perfect for urban dwellers who crave a touch of nature. Going vertical lets you maximize your garden potential without needing a lot of room. You can grow herbs, flowers, and even vegetables in a fraction of the space. Trust me, even a tiny wall can turn into a flourishing garden. With the right setup, you can create a vibrant, living wall that not only looks beautiful, but also purifies the air and brings a sense of tranquility to your home. Plus, vertical gardens are incredibly versatile. You can customize them to fit any space. Whether it's a narrow balcony, a kitchen wall, or even a bathroom, the possibilities are endless. So don't let limited space hold you back. Embrace vertical gardening and watch your small space transform into a green paradise. It's easier than you think, and the results are truly rewarding. Next, say goodbye to backaches. Vertical gardens are much easier on your body because you're working at eye level. Watering, pruning, and harvesting are all a breeze, which means you'll spend less time on your knees and more time enjoying your beautiful plants. Benefit number 3, healthier plants. When you grow vertically, your plants get better airflow, which reduces the risk of diseases and pests. This means your garden stays lush and green with less effort. Ever struggled with getting enough sunlight in your garden? Vertical gardening to the rescue. By growing upwards, every plant can catch those precious rays, ensuring they all get the sunlight they need to thrive. Let's talk aesthetics. Vertical gardens are not just functional, they're also stunning. You can get really creative with how you arrange your plants, turning any boring wall into a living piece of art. It's like having a painting that grows and changes with the seasons. Here's a fun fact. Vertical gardens often grow more produce in less time. With the improved airflow, sunlight exposure, and efficient use of space, your plants are happier and healthier, which means they grow faster and produce more. Who knew gardening could be so rewarding? Last, but definitely not least, vertical gardens are great for the planet. They use less water, reduce the need for pesticides, and can even help insulate your home. Plus, they contribute to cleaner air, so you're not just growing food or flowers, you're helping the environment too. So, are you ready to take your garden to new heights? Imagine transforming your space into a lush green oasis that not only looks stunning but also maximizes your gardening potential. Vertical gardens are perfect for small spaces, urban environments, or anyone looking to add a unique touch to their home. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. We have plenty more gardening tips, tricks, and inspiration coming your way. Share this video with a friend who needs to know about the magic of vertical gardening. Whether they're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these tips can help anyone create a beautiful and productive garden. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to your garden. Keep experimenting, keep growing, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. See you in the next video.